Hello friends and welcome to a lecture of Operation Research. This is Professor Arvind Prasad. Today we will learn in game theory about dominated strategy. In dominated strategy, we take an example where there are two politicians who are contesting. They are contesting from Mumbai and Pune. The strategy one available to both the politicians is campaign for one day in each city. The strategy 2 available for both the politicians is campaign for 2 days in Pune. And strategy 3 is campaign for 2 days in Mumbai. Now strategy 2 and strategy 3 might raise some eyebrows. Well, it's a good strategy sometimes because if you have a strong party presence in any city, putting more attention in that city might yield more votes and therefore you might win at least one of the cities. So, there is the payoff table for politician number 1. Now, politician number 1 broadly has 3 strategies and politician number 2 also has 3 strategies. So, if politician 1 takes strategy number 1 and politician 2 also takes strategy number 1, in this case, politician 1 wins 10,000 votes and politician 2 loses 10,000 votes. Now let's say if politician 1 takes strategy 2 and politician 2 also takes strategy 2, nobody gains anything. And if politician 1 takes strategy 3 and politician 2 also takes strategy 3, politician 3 loses 10,000 votes and these 10,000 votes go to politician 2. So what is the dominated strategy method of analyzing this problem? A strategy is a dominated strategy, or a strategy is dominated by a second strategy if the second strategy is always as good and sometimes better regardless of what the opponent does. Now let's understand what is regardless of what the opponent does. In game theory, we assume that we know what are the strategies your opponent will take. That is, not take, but what are the strategies available to him. So we know that there are 3 strategies available to politician 1 and 3 strategies available to politician 2. But as politician 1, he can only evaluate his strategies with respect to all the 3 strategies that a politician 2 might take, because he is unaware of what specific strategy politician 2 will take. He is totally clueless of what is going to be the strategy of politician number 2. He knows there are 3 strategies available to politician 2, but he is clueless out of these 3 what politician 2 might take. So this is what it means by regardless of what the opponent does. He has no idea. Now, let's say if you have strategy 1 and strategy 2. Now, strategy 2 will be dominating strategy 1 if the strategy 2 is as good as strategy 1, and if not as good, better. Well, if it's better, you should be taking it. And if you have 2 strategies which are equally good, you might go for strategy 2 because yes, it is as good as strategy 1. So let's apply these rules and see what would be the strategies finally available to politician 1 and 2. So let's go ahead. Now, politician 1, he will eliminate strategy 3. Why? Because in case politician 2 also plays strategy 3, he stands to lose 10,000 votes. So he will totally eliminate strategy number 3 because he really doesn't gain much. He gains 10,000 vote, but he loses 10,000 vote also. And if you see, if strategy 3 is taken by politician 1 and strategy 1 is taken by politician 2, politician 1 stands to gain nothing. So politician 1 will eliminate strategy 3. Now let's come up to strategy of politician 2. Politician 2 will eliminate strategy number 3. He will do so because if he takes strategy number 3, he knows that he stands to lose by 40,000 or 50,000 votes. So he will eliminate the strategy. Now let's get back to politician 1. Politician 1 will eliminate strategy 2. Because once again, as compared to strategy 1, if he takes strategy 2, he stands to gain either no votes or at the most 10,000 votes. Now back to politician 2. Politician 2 obviously will eliminate strategy number 2. Why? Because if he takes strategy number 2, he stands to lose 20,000 votes. So as you can see here, the strategies available to politician 1 and 2 is 1 and 1. So that is the way we use the dominated strategy method to analyze what would be the best strategies. So that was all about dominated strategies. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends who might benefit from it. And yes, don't forget to ask them also to subscribe this channel. That was all, friends. Goodbye. Have a great day.